everyone and welcome back. I'm Alicia and in today's video I will be teaching you how to do die cut stickers using your home printer as well as Cricut. So in my previous video I did the kiss cut sticker, but in today's video we will be doing the die cut stickers. So the materials I'm going to use today are going to be slightly different from my previous video. Today I'm going to use the printable vinyl sticker paper from HTV Rond. This is a little thicker and in glossy finish compared to the last one, and I'm also going to use the self-adhesive laminating sheets. These are in this is an A4 size, this is in the US letter size, so they are the size variant, so I will need to cut this down to size. And also if you want to know how to make sticker sheets, I have used the different materials over there and I will link the video on top over here or in the description below. Open our Cricut Design Space. I always go ahead and make it full screen because when I make the project finally and go for print, the printing window actually pops in front. I will hit the new project. I am going to print a design that I actually received an order on Etsy. So I will go to my stuff and I will go ahead and click on the design that I have to print. So I'll go ahead and customize it, but I can also show you a design how you can upload on your own, and if you have something that you would want to print. So in order to do that, you need to go to upload, and you can upload an image directly from here, or you can drag and drop the image and then you go ahead and select the appropriate options that I have already discussed in detail in my previous video. So I'm going to click cancel over here. So what I would need to do is, first, once the design is uploaded, I will want to flatten the design and also add an offset so there is a white border all around it. I did the same thing for this particular design as well. So this particular customer has actually ordered two of these left facing dragon, and this is the vinyl sticker that I want to make available in my Etsy shop. This was part of the bullet journal March setup that I did, and I have actually made the foil stickers for this one. You can see the clip over here, and this is going to be just a plain black and white vinyl sticker that is going to be waterproof. Both of these are going to be waterproof because we are going to laminate it, and they will have a better longevity, so you can actually put it in the water bottle, in your luggage tag. So it has a versatile use of it. So what I'll do is, since I need to print these, I will make two of the dragons, and I want to make multiple copies of the cat sticker. So since we are going to use a US letter size, I am going to select a shape and I am going to just drag and make it larger and send this one to behind. I will place my design as best as I can accommodate in this shape, and then we will obviously play around with the dimensions as best as it can fit. So here you can clearly see the offset of white that I have used all around the design. And to create an offset in any design, what you need to do is select on the image, go to offset and select the distance that you want to be offsetted around each of these designs. I am not going to do it in this one because I don't want an additional offset to be there for each of these die cut stickers. Since I feel we have enough space, what I'll do is I will select the cat sticker and I will try to make smaller version of this. So this is going to be 7.5 centimeter in height. So let me try and get a smaller 4 centimeter in height. So these are the small ones. So this, what you can usually do is if you have enough space left and you don't want to waste your sticker paper, create multiple size and you can also offer them to sale. So not everyone wants larger size, so you can opt for the smaller ones, and that will also give you an opportunity to an upsell. So I'm going to make the dragon smaller too, and also flip it. So to flip, I will just go over here and flip horizontally. So now I have two dragons in smaller size that are facing on the opposite direction. Now, I just want to see if this is going to work on our sticker design space. See, it is a little bit large, so it is throwing an error over here. You can see there is an exclamation. If you click over here, it says image is too large, so we need to auto size it. And for whatever reason, I don't have the option to change the size of the paper in the Cricut Design Space. I'm using the Europe version, so I always get only like A4 and a 2-3 different options, but not the US letter size. So what I will do is check the dimensions that has been mentioned here, that is 21 centimeter by 29. So what I will do is I will go ahead and check this dimension that I am allowed to use. So the max size for this is 18 centimeter by 20 centimeter, and we have definitely exceeded that, and I don't want to auto resize it because that will change the size of my actual stickers. What I'll do now is I will first detach all of these and see if I can play around in the printer space. So once this gets auto assigned in the space, we can play around and sort out the projects. So here you can see that I have the two main dragons, then I have the three and these tiny ones over here. And there is a second project mat where I have these two. So the thing that I can do is I can go over here, I can adjust the design and make more space for the other designs to come over here. So this space definitely has enough for another of these cat stickers. So I will move this to this corner. It definitely does not take so much of space, so I am going to just do a little bit of adjustment with all the other stickers, so I am able to fit the smaller stickers in the smaller spaces that are available to me. So the way you move from one project to another is over the sticker that you want to move, you will see these three dotted lines. Click on the dotted lines and select move object. Then this window will pop up and you select the project mat that you want to use. So in my case it is the first one. Click confirm and it will pop up over here. So you can see this one easily fits in this particular space. So it's not that you're not having enough space, it's just Cricut Design Space thinks that it will be ideal if you print and cut in the way that the machine thinks it is going to be a good cut, but not necessarily it is the most efficient in terms of using your sticker paper. So I will put it according to the size that I feel will work, and I will also go ahead and repeat the same for the other object. And yeah, I can fit all of the objects in my one sticker paper, so that just helps in reducing my waste and also having more options for me to sell. So this looks good to me. If I wanted, I could also make probably even more smaller stickers and sprinkle around, but I don't think it's going to be good. So I will go ahead and do continue. Once my Cricut Maker is connected, I will hit send to printer, turn off the add bleed, turn on use system dialog, go to printer options, printer settings. I am going to print it in premium glossy paper and I want it in high quality. Color options, I want it a little vibrant. So I will go ahead and add 15 to all of these and it should be ready to print now. So I'm going to use my standard grip mat for this particular project and I will align the sticker paper in accordance to the line over here. I will also use my very helpful brayer to just stick the sticker paper onto the mat. Once you have secured it to the standard grip mat, I will be using this laminating sheet, but as you can see it is very large in size, and if I put this on top of the registration mark, the Cricut sometimes is not able to scan it properly. So I will go ahead and take the measurements and cut it according to size, which will help in having more precise cuts in the sticker design space. So once you have cut it in size, you can take the tiny corner of this laminating sheet, and that will help you in adhering to the corner and not get air bubbles. So I will teach you the technique that I use. Take a small piece and stick it to the corner. I will be also using my squeezy and just press it down, and you can pull this tiny corner over here, but you just need to be very careful when you push it so that you don't get any air bubbles in between your laminating sheet and the sticker paper. So I'm going to hold it over here and then I will try to squeeze it slowly so I don't get any air bubbles, and I will also try to press the laminating sheet as I squeeze it below. Now I will go ahead and put it in the Cricut Maker and cut it to the size. For the base material, I'm going to use medium cardstock, and the pressure is going to be less because I felt that if I put it in default or more, it cuts through the entire thing and my mat, so I will use it in less. You can arrange and adjust your pressure. You can also select different materials, but what I felt for my particular sticker paper and the thickness that I have in total with the laminating paper, this has worked fine for me so far. So I will go ahead and use this and pressure will be less. So the cuts came out pretty good. To do a quick check, you can see that it has cut through. So let me try to get this one out. Pretty neat cut. So in order to get this one out, I usually fold the mat itself rather than folding the stickers, and I will just take them out one by one. Alright, so now I just need to take the parts that should not be there, like this one, because this is a hollow one, and the top two. There you go. Ooh, I like how it has cut through everything. It is pretty neat. In terms of the black one, this is a very simple cut, so there is not much that the Cricut has to struggle with. I really like it. And the smaller baby for this. So these all are available in my shop. The link to the shop will be mentioned in the description below. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps in reaching to the particular audience that will be also looking to create their own stickers at home. I do have a playlist in which I will be adding more in terms of making this kind of videos, and also I have different playlists for plan with me videos as well as doing the stationery hauls. I hope this was an informative one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!